everyone. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a new user and build a connection with it in MySQL Workbench. So first of all, let's enter our root connection and then just go here on the left, go to administration and then click on user and privilege. As you can see here on the bottom left, we have add account, click on it and then just change the name, user, and then just choose a password. And then click on apply. The other account can let's just change the name other one and then click on apply. Let's go here and we, as you can see, we have other one as a user. Let's go back, close this one, go here to build connection and test it. We have connection other one connection and then push change the username to other one and then click on OK. Let's enter it and then enter other one password. And as you can see, we are here as this account you're using does not have sufficient permissions to view the client connection because it's a user and it's not root. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.